if you're working in construction or doing some home renovations, this is actually a really good tool to have. This is the 3D leveling laser tool. So if you can see, there's 3 different points on here with lasers. That way, if you need to see something straight up and down, side to side, you can use this tool. It does have a 1/4 thread on the bottom, and the mounting bracket's really, really nice. So yeah, you have magnets on the back. You can put this on anything metal, or you can actually just mount it to something if you know it's gonna be there a while. It charges with USB-C, and there's the USB-C port right here on the side. And the battery can offer you up to 8 hours of continuous working time. It comes in a nice little hard case as well, just to make it easy to transport. So you power this thing up with that one right there. You can see your battery status, and then you have your different lasers, vertical horizon, and another vertical one, but for a different side. So we'll turn these on, and you can see them on me right there, and another one right there. So now you see that access, and then there's a third one. There's different operation modes like self-leveling mode, and there's manual mode, and there's pulse mode. The self-leveling laser adopts the brighter green laser unit, which is resistant to temperature changes and has higher stability. The laser level can cover all around the room with a 360-degree horizontal and 2 360-degree vertical lines, and the green laser level has a working range up to 98 feet. The outdoor pulse mode can actually extend the range up to 200 feet. And in manual mode, you can actually unlock the pendulum, and the laser leveler tool will self-level within 3 degrees. So if you are very meticulous on pouring cement or any type of, or like you're doing some flooring or deck work, and you want to make sure that things are very level, this is going to do that for you. Once you set this thing up, this will be your guide. It's really cool, and I can see how this would be a huge asset for anyone working in construction, or again, if you're doing any remodeling in your own house. So that makes it a great tool to have. You'll definitely know when you'll need this, and you'll be like, this is the thing I need. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.